Hello everyone, and welcome once again to this your channel. In case you don't know me, I'm Lynette, the person behind this wonderful project that I call GretaWings. And today I want to teach you something very important. Today I know 3 ways to perform the single crochet, and I want to share them with you. Finally, I will tell you which one I use today and why. For the 3 pieces, I have used the same yarn, Symphonia brand yarn, and the same hook, 2.5 millimeters hook. But you can see there are different. This is the single crochet in a form of V. The second, you can see this. Sometimes I can't explain everything in English because it's not my first language, but you can see what I want to show you. This position is better in the piece on the center. The first one is the single crochet in the form of V. The second one is the single crochet in the form of X. And the third one is the single crochet in the form of fake X. Then I will show you each one, and you can see how I take the loop. I will start show you the single crochet in a form of V. For me, it's the traditional single crochet. You can insert the hook and put the hook under the yarn, under the thread. Take the loop, again under the yarn, and that's it. Then both time is under the yarn. One, and the second one under the yarn again. And this is the first single crochet that I use with my first amigurumis. On this moment, I use the single crochet in a form of V when I made only crochet, no amigurumi, but crochet, that like clothes on something or something for my house. I use this single crochet because it's beautiful. Then now I will show you the single crochet in a form of X, and it's very different. You can insert the hook, but both times you can put the hook above the yarn. Again, above the yarn. Insert the hook and put the hook above the yarn, take it, and again. Both times you will take the yarn above with the hook above the yarn. And it's very different like the another one, because here you will put the hook above the yarn, and in the another one you take the hook under the yarn. With the third one is like a combination with the first one, and you can see the first time that you take the yarn, you will put the hook above the yarn the first time, and the second time you will put the hook under the yarn. It's like a combination. The first time above and the second one under the yarn. Above and under the yarn. It's very similar like a single crochet in a form of X, but the name is fake X. Now you can compare, you can make like me 3 pieces and you can see better the difference. But on my case, now I use the single crochet in a form of X for amigurumis. and I recommend 100%. But if you prefer the single crochet in a form of V, it's okay. I have amigurumi with the single crochet in a form of V, and I love it, and they are beautiful. But um, if you want to, if you want perfections on your amigurumis, this one is better. I'm pretty sure. But with whatever single crochet, your amigurumi will be beautiful. Okay? Then now you can select whatever you prefer. Please tell me on the comments what is the single crochet that you use, and if you know about the another ones. But sometime, for example, now I made a Funkos, and for Funkos, for that square head, it's very important if you use the single crochet in a form of X or fake X. But if you don't use that ones, also I will show you how you can change a little the pattern, and you can finish your amigurumi with a good result. But yes, I recommend the single crochet in a form of X for amigurumis. Sometimes I say I can explain, and I'm so sorry for that, but I give you the best of myself with my English language. Then that's it. Is everything that I want to show you, because in the social media, the people speak a lot about this, and sometimes the people change the name, and it's okay. Maybe the name that I give you is not exactly the best name, but is that I know on this moment, and I only want to share with you what I know now. That's it. Remember, if you like this tutorial, leave me your like and your comments. I really appreciate it, and that support this wonderful project. And if you have any questions, please you can leave the comment, and I will answer you as soon as possible. And if you haven't subscribed yet on this channel, I invite you to do it and activate the bell, and you will receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Also, we already have a membership on this channel, and I invite you to the link down in the description of this video. You can see the link, and you can make the membership on this channel. Later I will share some video explain more about that. Okay, then thanks a million for watching this video to the end. Until next amigurumi, we will continue making the Funkos. Is the next project on this channel, making a lot of Funkos.